As a business owner, do you find that your business is weighing you down? Do you spend way too much time in your business doing those day-to-day things when you need to be spending more time on your business? I encourage you to come on out to our business planning workshop on November the 10th. Lori and I are going to walk you through what you can be doing in your business to be able to achieve those goals for 2024 that you've always dreamed about. We're going to walk you through 3 parts that are so important for your business. What's the foundation? What have you already built in your business? What's the vision that you have for your business so you can clearly communicate this to all your employees? And then what are some of those obstacles that are getting in the way from where you want to be and where you are right now? And then our big ending is all about goal setting. We've got a goal setting exercise that will break down what you need to do quarter by quarter for 2024. So I encourage you, all the information is right here for you to be able to learn about what we're doing on November the 10th. Come and join us. We'd love to see you.